Hello guys, thank you guys. Welcome to my channel. So how can we build our confidence? If we want to do increase our confidence, we will have to speak in every single day. We will have to practice with our best friend, with our we if we are giving our effort every single day, means we have time 1 hour 2 hour only. We will have to speak only 1 month in front of our in front of our best friend. And if we have at our home we have mirror, and we can stand up in front of mirror and we can speak in front of mirror. So it's easy. In this way we can build this language, because it's language. It's not our mother tongue. It's a global language. We don't know, and we don't know how can we express our thought. And if we are doing every day this type of activity, and we will have to far away our fear, our hesitation. And I'm doing also same activity. I don't have much more confidence, too much confidence, but as far as I consider, I would like to share with you. If I will try in upcoming day, in my upcoming day, so it's easy and it will be possible. If I will not try, and I'm not giving my effort, I'm not giving any time for spending or time with my English. So how can we enhance in this language? Because it's language, all language, Punjabi, Urdu and Sanskrit, and any Hindi language. If we are speaking, during our speaking we have confidence, means anyone, any ignorant person, this strange person, they know about ourselves. They have knowledgeable person, they have knowledge. And knowingly and unknowingly, if we are doing unknowingly and unknowingly, if we are doing same activity every single day, so it will be easy. And it's very easy task if we are trying day by day. And it's not easy. It's also I mean, I can say it's also not difficult. If any work we can do, because we are human being, we have nature. If we have interest, so we can do everything. If we don't know, how can we stitch our suit, how can we knit, but we don't know. And if we have interest, I have interest, and I want to do this activity, so definitely I will be able to do all work, because I have create this environment, this activity. And if we have interest, so we can learn only within 15 days, and within only 1 month it will be easy. And it's easy task if we want to do everything. And we have desire, and we want to do overcome our fear. And during our speaking, I'm also sometimes I have fear, I have nervousness, and I have fear, so I can't. I'm at that time. I am I am unable to speak in English, because I have forgotten everything. Because I will have to create that good environment. If every all the time we are preparing our thought, we have ready all thought. If we want to do, and we are going to try, and we are about to do speak based on any topic, based on any work, and based on our study, we can make any story in ourselves. But we will have to try only in ourselves. After that we can do. If we don't know, we don't have interest, and we don't want to do, so in this condition it's not easy task. It will be very difficult. If we have knowledge, and we don't know how can we increase our English, how can we build this confidence. So confidence is necessary and confidence is essential for everyone, and confidence is significant, and confidence is most important role play in our life. If we have confidence, we are speaking any incorrect, any wrong method, because instantly we can't improve in ourselves. We will have to take time. If we know, and if we are spending our time with our English and any exam, if we are about to prepare any exam, if we are giving our time with exam, so it will be easy and we can do everything, because we have nature, and we are uh, we are giving our effort all day and whole day, and so it will be easy. And if we are hard working person, and we don't know how can we increase this English, how can we increase this level, and next level, how can we raise, because we know. So thank you guys. So okay, okay guys.